Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I've got the quarterly Canyon Hollow decor box. It comes out 4 times a year. It is I'm gonna double check, $149 a quarter. And she has written on the outside, Terry, I hope you have a fantastic summer, Teresa. Here we go, diving in. Okay, sealed with the wax stamp. All right, let me lift up here. Here we go, you guys. All right, so I am going to put the card off to the side because at the monthly box, I realized when I read some of the front, it gave some of the items away and my bangs are going crazy, you guys. First item, beautiful experience, beautiful layout. I love that she hand wraps all these packages. She takes the care to do that. Bonus. Ooh, what is this? Okay. So this is a light gray color. Here we go. It is by Porter Lane Home. And they specialize in handcrafted home decor and gifts. All of their products are custom designed and made from the highest quality materials. And this is a pillowcase, you guys. There we go. I love pillowcases that you can swap out the insert for. I love it. So this is really pretty. Now I will say, I want pillowcases in pairs, so we'll wait and see what happens in here. This is, I'm going to check out this next item because it's kind of just like popping out of the box. Oh my goodness, on its own. I'm going to need to sit the box down. And it's heavy, guys. Okay. All right. We have got 3 stems. And I just want to say thank you for giving us 3. You get this plastic off of them, you guys. They're bent, so the plastic's kind of getting caught up on them. All right, I'm just putting it down for right now. These are all the same. And they are, oh no. I pulled it off. Oh. They just pop right back on. I'm not going to get the other one out just because it's taking so long. Okay, so here we are. They are plastic. They're plastic. The stems look like plastic, unfortunately. You are going to need to fluff these. These are not my favorite. Now, I will say they look really nice on camera, you guys. They are a great pop of green. From the distance, you cannot tell that the leaves are plastic, okay? The stems, gosh, I don't know. It's either the stems look live or the stems look like plastic. I don't know, you guys. And the reason I say that is if you get up here, you see how they have these ridges? I can't tell. Not sure. I'm gonna set them aside right now. I'm not sure about those yet. I'm not sure how I feel. Next item. Okay. I think it's a candle. Charleston Candle Company. We create and hand pour all our candles in small batches in Charleston, South Carolina. Each candle scent represents a historic or significant part of the Low Country culture. 50-hour burn time, 100% all natural soy wax from U.S. grown soybeans, clean burning, no toxins, carcinogens, or pollutants, eco-friendly, natural cotton wicks, lead and zinc free wicks. I don't think I've ever seen that before. And you can find them at charlestoncandleco.com. It's 9-ounce candle. Let's see what it smells like. I like the smell. Magnolia, peach, and balsam. I can smell the peach. I can smell the balsam. I'm not sure about the magnolia because off the top of my mind, I can't recall what a magnolia smells like. It's a very nice smell and it's a very nice candle, you guys. So that's a very nice candle. Shifting things around because I still have not put away stuff. Next box. It's Christmas, right? Unboxing the items that are wrapped. Okay. Okay. Wasn't expecting this, but it's pretty. So it is not straight up white. It's got a cream to it. Hello, plate. But again, made in China tags on the back. It looks like, oh no, it's easily peel off. Well, there's a little left on. So this is by Napa Home and Garden. It's a nice plate. Nice, pretty decorative plate that I could see sitting in my bathroom with some pretties on it because I like pretties. Okay. Going on here. There's a lot in here, you guys. Okay. Is it a pillow insert? I think it might be. Okay, let's check it. I think it is, you guys. Vacuum sealed. Let's cut into this. Yep, and it's already expanding. Watch it. Okay. So yes, it is a pillow insert. So I'm so happy that they included that. It is also by Porter Lane Home. So this must be a custom size for the pillowcase that I think is under this box over here. So kudos for giving us the pillow. Now, I do not see 2 in here, but that's okay. The reason it's okay is because you gave us the pillow. And now that I see the size of it, this is like really like, it's not a true lumbar, but it's a long pillow. And look how it's already filled out, you guys. So I'm okay that there's not 2 because I love this. So perfect. And looks like we have one last time, you guys. Oh, and it is heavy. It's heavy, you guys. Okay. Also wrapped. Ooh, that bow is really tight there. Okay. Do you think it's a vase or something for our greenery to go in? That's what my guesstimate is here. Let's see. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay. Very well packed. Very protective. Yeah. I know a box that was earlier did not, you know, the item in it probably really should have came bubble wrapped or more protected to prevent it from it having cracked. But you know, I can't help but wonder, all the stuff was packed on top of it. So I wonder if that was what happened there. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Was not what I was expecting. Ooh, gosh, it's heavy. Sorry, I can't hold it with that wrist. You guys, I wouldn't have thunk it. I love it. It's beautiful. I would not have picked this for myself, you guys, at all. I would never have picked this myself. This is a PD Home, also made in China. I can see why they did not take the sticker off the bottom of this though, because it was so well packaged. It would probably have been a pain in the butt to have repackaged it and get it back in there. So it's totally acceptable. This is looking like it's made by hand as well. Yeah, it really does. Let's read about, oh, before I do that, the Greenery. So, I haven't got that fully off your hair yet. So, I will say that 3 stems, this is only 2 stems, 3 stems is going to be perfect for this. It goes very well. It does match very well, that like the tones of the browns taupes. That's really good. And I might like somehow figure out how to way to like set it out my front door. Because these definitely will be safe outside. But our door is set back. It's completely covered. But yeah, I like this, you guys. I like this a lot. Okay, let's find some place to sit it. Oh goodness, it's heavy. And let's get the card. Summer decorating. Transform your home for summer with light linen fabrics that create a breezy atmosphere. Add pops of greenery to bring the outdoors in, and use natural elements like clay pots for a rustic touch. Complete the look with a bright summery candle to fill your space with a warm, inviting glow. She does very well at curating and having her items go together. I greatly appreciate that because I need the help. I need the help of what goes with what. So sometimes when we get a box and the things are just like randomly in there, they kind of feel in. They don't feel incomplete, which what I was going to ready to say. But you might not have an item that will go with that item, that you can display it with that item. So I like that she's thoughtfully considering what she puts in here. So we have a clay line vase. We have a Real Touch Aglaia Odorata spray. I don't think those are Real Touch. I think those are plasticky. I mean, they definitely feel silky, but they got at least a plastic over top of them or something. They're not the softest. The Southern Magnolia Peach and Balsam Soy Candle. And then we have the scalloped tray. It says this dainty scalloped tray is perfect for holding candles or other decorative items, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Versatile in use, it can also serve as a charming platter for food. Here I'm thinking of a cheese ball. And then lumbar pillow cover with down alternative. Gotta work. And it says we have included a high quality down alternative insert to make this pillow feel like a touch of luxury in your home. Very nice. So it's time to do the scoring. Let's see here. All right, so this is the Canyon Quarterly. It is $149 plus shipping. Okay, the experience. I'm giving it a 10. quality. Candles, high quality. The pillowcase. I'm gonna say I think the quality's there in the clay vase, or the, you know what I'm talking about. The flowers though, I mean, or the leaves, I do feel like it brings it down a little. So quality, I'm gonna give it an 8. Oh, and the plate. I'm gonna give it an 8. Value. All right, so now we got value, $149. The down alternative pillow with that pillowcase. You guys, I'm thinking $60 at least for that item. That candle, they probably sold that candle for $30. So we're at 90 already. And then we have the scalloped tray. I think I'm being generous for 15. So that's 105. Then we have the clay vase and the spray. So the value is here. So value is here. So I'm gonna give value an 8. New, different, unique. I'm liking it, you guys. I love that it's the lumbar shaped pillow. I love it's this clay vase and it's got like lines through it. I like we got a scalloped tray. So new, different, uniqueness. I'm giving it an 8. Retention, usability. I am definitely got a place for that tray. I will definitely be using that candle. I'm going to be using everything in here. So I'm going with a 10. So for today, we have, I'm pausing because I'm like, how did I get to that number? But I was adding wrong. Okay. So we are at 44 out of 50 for this quarterly box, which I think is really good, you guys. Very good. So I am very happy with what I got from Canyon Hollow this quarter. Cannot wait to see what we get for the fall, you guys. And I hope, as always, that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts. If you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. Stick around. Do lots of videos. I got some pretty cool cats too. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and end it for tonight, you guys. Hope you have a great day, evening, week. Take care. Bye, everyone.